Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what alarm system you have, because the method depends on brand and wiring. Open the driver door and check for a valet switch, hidden button, or alarm fuse. These are the fastest ways to stop sirens. Once done, test the remote briefly to see if a lock/unlock cancels the siren, and make sure the car battery is stable. Alarms often misbehave with low voltage. If you find a labeled fuse, note its position before you remove anything. You now move to disabling. If the system has a valet switch, turn the key to accessory or run, press the switch once and the alarm should enter valet or learn mode. This stops sensors. If no switch, remove the alarm fuse after disconnecting the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts. That cuts power and silences the system. Once the fuse is out, secure any exposed wiring. Also, make sure door and hood switches aren't stuck. Clean or realign them, because false triggers are common. You finish by restoring power and testing. Reconnect the battery, reinsert the fuse, then lock and unlock with the remote to confirm proper behavior. If the alarm still triggers, replace the remote battery and try reprogramming per the alarm manual. This addresses synchronization faults. Make sure to test sensors one at a time, doors, hood, trunk, so you pinpoint the fault. If problems continue, disconnect the alarm harness at the alarm control unit or get a certified.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.